there are many tools. There are many creative tools for producing music, for example. But Swifin Creator Studio is perhaps the world's first global creator economy studio. And that's very important. It is a place where anyone can create, translate, publish, stream, and earn from music and media instantly in any language. To access Swifin Creator Studio, head over to app.swifin.com and log in. And then look for Studio from the quick access menu on the bottom. And if you're interested in creating music, then look for Music Creator. But within the Creator Studio, there are many tools for generating books, courses, workbooks, audiobooks. So for example, you could write a book and then use the audiobook studio to convert that book instantly into audio. And you can do that in multiple languages, all in one place. With music, you can create your music and you can publish it instantly and start earning from it, and encourage your fan base to also share it and also earn income from it. And that's why the Swifin Creator Studio is the world's first single place where you can create, anyone can create music, anyone can translate that into multiple languages to be published in those multiple languages around the world. And you can publish it immediately into the streamer and stream it. So to create a song is really as simple as you can head over here and click on Auto Create, and it will set up the initial language, that will be English. It will set up the genre and also the mode for the song and select the vocal type in the very simplest way. And it also gives you the title for the book, for the song, and the lyrics. Okay, so click Auto Generate. I think I need to log in. You obviously need to have credits first to do this. So let me sign in. Just going to log in very quickly. Now once you're in, let's go back to Studio. And then from here, we're going to go to Music Creator. While in Music Creator, we're going to just minimize these side panels. While in Music Creator, you can just click on Auto Create very quickly. And what that does is it will give you the most suitable title right now. It has Neon Nights and the lyrics for that particular song. And all you need to do is click on Create Song. Now, I'm going to head over to the library while that is being created to show you some of the songs that have already been created using this system. For example, there's one which was created just a few minutes ago. And if you want to sample it, listen to it, just hover across it and press. Feel the night. Okay, so the same song was actually converted to another language, which is German, as you can see here. But if we wanted to have that song in French or in another language, say Lingala, for example, then you just click here and you click on Create in Another Language, and that should enable you to produce that song in over 190 languages around the world. But let's create Lingala. So I'll come in here and just look for Lingala and select. That's all you have to do. the song will now be generated in Lingala. Okay, and you can do multiple languages at the same time. So if you wanted this also in Swahili, then you would type Swahili and you could pick Swahili, and that will also generate the song in Swahili. And then we're going to close. You can pick as many songs as you want and produce as many songs in as many languages as are available here. Once you've gone through the process, it will generate the song. Okay, so it's saying generating. As an example, this is one in German, in Dutch, that was generated earlier on. So I'm not going to waste your time to sit through this being completed, but let's listen to the German version of the earlier song that I just played. And in the meantime, the generation for the Lingala and the Kiswahili is going on in the background.
Spür die Nacht, atme tief. Ein neuer Morgen, der alles gibt. Zerbrochene Träume, alte Last. Zeit aufzustehen, keine Rast.
Okay, that gives you a sense of the quality. Of course, that can be refined further. But the one we just created when I started this recording is here, Neon Nights. It's ready. So let's listen to it.
Under the city lights, we come alive. Lost in the moment, feel
Okay, perfect. So you can see from the pop-ups on the screen that the Kiswahili and the Lingala versions are ready. They were being produced in the background. So let's listen to the Lingala version of the Dutch song we just played earlier.
Tikisa na butu, mpepo ya sika, tumbo ya sikaya, ibondi yawa.
Of course, you have the Kiswahili version as well here.
Hisi usiku, pumua ndani, mwanzo mpya, hapa tumeanza. Ndoto zimetawanyika, minyororo
Okay, so I'm going to stop. I just wanted to show you that anyone can actually come here and use Swifin Creator Studio. And you don't even have to have the lyrics ready. If you want the system to generate the lyrics for you, just click Auto Create. You get a set of lyrics that you can start with. And if you want, you can then go back and you can refine the settings. You can change the genre, you can change the mode of the music, you can change the vocal for the music. Okay, and all you do then is click on Create and wait for your song to be generated. Once it's generated, you can use the creating multiple in another language to actually convert it into multiple languages, and you can publish all of them in one swap, in one go. And that's why we say that Swifin Creator Studio is the world's first economy, global creator economy studio, because it enables anyone to create, to translate, to publish, to stream and to earn from music. Now, once it is published here, and that also it's just one click, it goes into our streaming portal with real-time billing. And the streaming portal is available on the Mosaic Radio. So you click on the Mosaic Radio and you can listen to existing songs that are available, and it's a whole library, typically available in many languages around the world. Thank you.